It starts with a supercell, a thunderstorm with a deep, persistent, rotating updraft. As warm, moist air rises, it meets cold air, creating a spinning, horizontal tube of wind. The storm tilts this tube vertically, forming a lowering wall cloud, the birthplace of a monster. A visible funnel begins to stretch toward the earth, searching for the ground. The moment the funnel touches the surface, a tornado is officially born. Within this vortex, wind speeds can exceed 300 miles per hour, making it nature's most violent storm. But as the energy fades, the tornado ropes out and vanishes, leaving only the silence of the storm's wake.